Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. What do you say on this Wednesday? Huh? All right, so let's grab our thinking caps and put them on because this is going to be a day where we really use our minds to figure this out because we're going to be dealing with some big numbers just like we have been. We're going to be adding and subtracting big numbers, right? So we're going to not only be adding ones and twos, or subtracting ones and twos, but adding tens. We're going to do that as well. More than 110 sometimes. So we definitely need our thinking caps. Another thing we're going to need is our math tool. We have a 100 chart. Now, if you normally are on Zoom during the week, in your chapter 8 book, it is loaded with hundreds charts that you could use today. If you are normally in class during the week, hopefully you brought home your Black Husky Helper folder and you can use the number chart in there. Now, it's a blank one, so you will need to write all your numbers out as high as you can go. Hopefully you can get all the way to 100 at least. Maybe you can even get to 120 and you can use that so you can make your own, even if it's blank. You can write the numbers and have your own, okay? So we are going to practice a couple today before I give you a few problems to do on your own. Now, I'm going to show you some examples because I don't want you guys to just start doing this without me showing you how, right? That wouldn't be good for me to do. I wouldn't want to say, okay, now I'm going to have you guys add all these tens together without ever showing you. No, I'm going to show you. So, first thing first, we need something to write with. And, HR Rough and Stuff. Hey, how are you? I'm very good. Sounds like you need some help, Mr. T. Yeah, I suppose. I can't find something to write with. I was looking all around and all my papers. I'll be right back. Okay, he just took off. I had a pen. I apologize. HR Rough and Stuff, thank you. You are a true hero. No problem. That's what I do. Bye-bye, boys and girls. All right, HR, thank you very much. Now I have something to write with. I have something to write on right here. Now all I need is a couple numbers. So what should we do? Should we add or subtract this first time? Add? Okay, we're going to add. What should we add? Oh, Barry Allen, here in a flash. What's going on, buddy? Well, it sounded like you needed help, Mr. T. I did. I do, as a matter of fact. I need two numbers. Two numbers? Well, let's see. Hold up that number chart. You mean this number chart? Yes, that number chart right there. Let's see. How about 53? 53, okay, sounds like a good one. And how about 5? 53 plus 5? Yes, that sounds like a wonderful math problem. Okay, we'll do it. Thank you, Barry Allen. No problem, Mr. T. I won. Psh. And he's out of here. All right, Barry Allen gave us our problem. 53 plus 5. 53 plus 5. First thing that we're going to do is find 53 on our number chart. So we look for where our 50s are at. Here's our 50s. Find 53, 5 and 3. There it is, 53. Now we're going to add 5, which means we're going to jump forward 5 spots. Now we're not going to count until we land. And this is a common mistake. A lot of times people start counting right on the number 53, but we can't do that. It'll give us the wrong answer. So what we want to do is make sure we wait to count until we land a jump. Okay? So we jump in the air, and as soon as our feet touch the ground, we count. Or as soon as our finger touches the number chart, we count. So 53, we're going to add 5. For 53, we're going to have 5 jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed on 58. So 53 plus 5 is 58. All right. There it is. Well, what about subtraction? What if I'm subtracting something? What if I have 58 minus 5. Okay, some of you might already know the answer to that, but a lot of us don't. So what we're going to do is show subtraction. Now addition, we go this way because the numbers are getting bigger. Subtraction, we're taking away, so they're going to be getting smaller. So we're going to start at 58, and we're going to subtract 5. Start at 58, subtracting 5 means we jump back 5 times. Remembering, we're only counting when we land. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're back to 53. There it is. 58 minus 5 is 53. Okay, now that's adding and subtracting ones, right? 5 ones. What about tens? For tens, let's see. Let's start at a number like 25. And we're going to add 20. Okay, this changes it up a little bit because now we have 25, we're adding 20. 20 is not just made up of ones, it's made up of tens. In fact, 20 is made up of 2 tens. Right here in the tens column is a 2. So it's made up of 2 tens. So we're adding 2 tens to 25. When we add tens on a number chart like this, first we find our number, 25. It disappeared, didn't it? It'll be back in just a second. So here's our 25. Now we're 25. When we're adding 20 to it, look at that, it's back. When we're adding 20 to it, we're adding 2 tens. When we add tens using a number chart, we go down. Normally when we add ones, we go across. When we're adding tens, we're going down. How many times are we jumping down? 2. Because there's 2 tens in 20. So 25, let's go down. 1, 2. What do we end up on? 45. 45. So 25 plus 20 is 45. All right, now what about subtraction? What do we do with subtraction? Well, if addition, when we're adding tens, we go down, subtracting is the opposite, so we go up. See how this works. So let's start with 33 minus 10. There, 33 minus 10. So first things first, we're going to find 33 on here. There we go, there's 33. Now we're subtracting 10, so we're taking away a 10. So this time, like I said, instead of going down to add, we go up to subtract. So we're going to go up 1 because it's 110. So here's 33, so let's go up 1. And now we're at 23. So 33 minus 10 is 23. There we go. There's adding and subtracting ones, adding and subtracting tens. Now, it is your turn. I'm going to put a couple problems on the board here for you to do. Adding, subtracting, just like I showed you, just like we just did. If you need to watch again, please watch again. So we're going to start off with 14 plus 7. And 15 plus 4. And 36 minus 4. Make sure you're paying attention to what symbol is here so you know what you're doing, adding or subtracting, okay? (26 plus 20). 18 minus 9. Let's see if we can get that one. It's going to be a tough one. And 25 minus 10. Okay? So there are our problems right here for us to do. I know you can do it. I know you can do it as well. Super Monkey! you doing, buddy? Just wonderful. And I know these students are doing just wonderful too, and they're gonna knock this right out of the park. Did you guys? You just hit that ball into outer space. Nicely done there, Super Monkey. Oh, well, I'm pretty good at baseball. I've been practicing. You have? So have I. Well, maybe we could play sometime. Well, why don't we go right now? All right, let's go. Boys and girls, we're going to go play baseball. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.